Don't talk, just listen. I hear you bought yourself a new bit of kit and you need some guidance on how to navigate this brand new world you're about to enter. Well, that's what we're here for. We're going to make sure you know how to move in a room full of vultures. Everything's different now, my son. The old life you had is gone. I'll send you a text with the location, and when the lads will meet you there, make sure you're there on time. No messing about.
Well, little Billy Big Bollock's got his first bit of Stoney, has he? Your eyes are wide open now, eh? So how do I put this? Your life's fucking changed, son. Everything you knew before, throw it away. You're part of a secret society now, a wearer of the badge, and with that comes rules and meetings, lots of meetings in top secret locations like car parks and train stations. Now, it's not all sweet, not everyone loves the badge, so keep your eyes open. But forget all that, the birds are gonna love you. They're gonna flock around you like Tottenham cake left out in the sun. You're gonna be the man, you're gonna get tattoos, all of a sudden you're gonna be a bit of a geezer and you gotta be prepared. And another thing, you can forget your gentle little strolls through the meadows with your soft little mates singing your little songs. Now you're gonna walk with purpose. Even down your local supermarché, you're gonna be walking like Liam Gallagher at the Brits. Now, it would be remiss of me if I didn't tell you, you're gonna get into a bit of Barney, a bit of Ag. We call it Stoney and some cunts hate us for it. There's a bit of a war going on outside no man is safe from, so stay lively, it could get tasty. Don't look scared, son, it's all part of the game, my son. It can't all be peaches and cream, can it? Just stay lively. You're not back in your little cottage now, picking flowers and flying into your uncle's arm. You're gonna be flying into a rage and screaming, have it! Like a fucking maniac trying to take someone's head off. When it comes down to it, you've either got the minerals or you ain't. Might as well tell you now, your friends are gonna change. Your new friends will like beer, and even more beer. And football, you know what I mean? No more hanging about in soft lighting with your little mates, reading poetry by who the fuck cares, drinking elderflower and thistle and giving each other hugs like a bunch of hippies. Now it's dark hues and kickoffs at 3. And I ain't just talking of football. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I fucking mean, son? So, you think you got the fucking nuts for it? Do ya? Well, do ya?